What are those big seeds called?
They're cumin. Jeera.
You're trying with the right.
Two.
And she forgot to make the use big. Mommy? Mmm.